Today's question. Write the 3-digit number which has 7 in hundreds place, 5 in tens place and 6 in ones place. Answer will be displayed in the middle of this video. So, don't skip. Watch the entire video. Welcome to my channel Sujata Tudmela. Teach my children, teach my children. Joy of learning. On the way to returning home, Suma noticed that she had to purchase some vegetables from Raitu Bazaar. They observed the price list. Let we also read the price list. Item, quantity, price. Lemons 1 dozen 26 rupees. Tomatoes 1 kg 18 rupees. Ridge gourd 1 kg 54 rupees. Green chilli 1 kg 20 rupees. Lady's finger 1 kg 33 rupees. Snake gourd each piece 18 rupees. Bottle gourd each piece 33 rupees. Pumpkin each piece 65 rupees. Brinjal 1 kg 30 rupees. They purchased ridge gourd and lady's finger each 1 kg. How much money do they have to pay to the shopkeeper? Find the solution. Price of 1 kg ridge gourd is equal to 54 rupees. Price of 1 kg lady's finger is equal to 33 rupees. The total price of two vegetables is equal to 87. By adding 54 plus 33, we get 87 rupees. Do the following. First problem, 4 plus 5. We have to draw 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5. So, draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Seven plus 6. First, draw 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Here 6. So, draw 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So, the answer is 13. Next problem, 9 plus 5. So, draw 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is 5. So draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the answer is 14. Move to the next problem. 25 plus 52. Here, two digits are there. So, first we should add 5 plus 2 because it is in ones place and this is tens place. First, we should add ones place. So, here 5. So, don't draw lines but use your fingers in this problem. Take 5 fingers, then 2 fingers. Keep 5 in your brain. Take 2 fingers. Count after 5. 5 after 6 and 7. So, write 7 here. Next, 2 and 5. Keep 2 in brain and open your 5 fingers. Count 2 after. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So, we have to write 7 here. So, 25 plus 52 is equal to 77. 63 plus 75. First we should add ones place. Here ones place is 3 and 5. So keep 3 in your brain. Open your 5 fingers. 3 after count 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So sum of ones place is 8. Then move to the tens place. Here 6 and 7. Keep 6 in your brain and open your 7 fingers. 5 from right hand and 2 from left hand. We should count from 7 because we have 6 in our brain. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So, we should write 13 here. Then the final answer is 63 plus 75 is equal to 138. Dear students, take these 3 problems as homework. After watching the video, you can do these problems and share your answers with me in the comment section. Move to the next problem. 65 plus 48. We should add ones place first. So, keep 5 in your brain and open your 8 fingers. 5 from right hand and 3 from left hand. We should count after 6 because 5 is in our brain. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So, we should write 13 but 1 is in tens place and 3 is in ones place, because 13 has 110. So we should write 110 in tens place only. Then we should count tens places. Keep 1 in your brain. Open your 6 fingers. 5 from right hand and 1 from left hand. Count after 1. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Next, keep 7 in your brain. Take 4 fingers. Count from 8 because we have 7 in our brain. 7 after 8, 9, 10 and 11. So, you should write 11 here. So, the final answer is 113. See, when we add 65 and 48, we get 113. Next problem. Move to the 46 plus 59. First add ones places, 6 and 9. Keep 6 in your brain and take your 9 fingers, 5 from right hand and 4 from left hand. We should count after 6. After 6, 7. So start with 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. 15 has tens place. So we should write 1 and 5 in ones place. Then add tens places. Keep 1 in your brain. Take 4 fingers. 1 after 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then take 5 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So the answer we should write is 10. Final answer is 105. When we add 46 and 59, we get 105. Come to the next problem. 63 and 76. First we should add ones place. So keep 3 in your brain and take your 6 fingers. 5 from right hand and 1 from left hand. We should count after 3. After 3, 4. So start with 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Write 9 here. Next move to tens place. 6 and 7. Keep 6 in your brain and open your 7 fingers. 5 from right hand and 2 from left hand. Count after 6. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. 12 and 13. So the final answer is 139. When we add 63 and 76, we get 139. Next problem. 72 plus 49. First add ones place. What are the digits in ones place? 2 and 9. So keep 2 in your brain. Open your 9 fingers. 5 from right hand and 4 from left hand. Count after 2. After 2, is 3. So start with 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So we should write 1 in tens place and 1 in ones place. Count and add 1, 7 and 4. Keep 1 in your brain. Open your 7 fingers, 5 from right hand and 2 from left hand. Count after 1. After 1 is 2. So we should start from 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep 8 in your brain. Take 4 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. So you should write 12 here. So the final answer is 121. When we add 72 and 49, we get 121. Let's move to the problems. First one. If they buy the vegetables in the following ways, how much money do they have to pay? Solve the following questions. A. Find the total price of 1 kilogram chilies and 1 kilogram Ridge Gourds. Price of 1 kilogram chilies is equal to 20 rupees. Price of 1 kilogram Ridge Gourd is equal to 54. Let's find the total price of 1 kilogram of chilies and 1 kilogram Ridge Gourds. For this, we have to add 20 and 54. 0 and 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. 2 plus 5 is 7. Keep 2 in your brain. Take 5 fingers. Count after 2. After 2 is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, finally, the answer is 74 rupees. Move to the question B. Find the total price of 1 piece of pumpkin and a dozen lemons. Price of 1 piece of pumpkin is 65 rupees. Price of 1 dozen lemons is 26 rupees. So, we should add 65 and 26. First, we should add 5 and 6 because these two are in ones place. Keep 5 in your brain. Open your 6 fingers. 5 from right hand and 1 from left hand. What is there in our brain? 5. So, we should count 5 after. What is 5 after number? 6. So, start with 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So, 11 has 2 digits. 1 and 1. 1 is from tens place and another one is we should write in ones place. Next, keep 1 your brain. Take your 6 fingers, 5 from right hand and 1 from left hand. We should count 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then take 2 fingers. 7 after 8, 9. So, we should write 9. Finally, the answer is 91 rupees. Total price is 91 rupees. Move to the problem C. Find the total price of 1 kg of tomatoes and a snake gourd. Price of 1 kg tomatoes is equal to 18 rupees. Price of a snake guard is equal to 18 rupees. So, we should add 18 and 18 to find out the total price. Total price is equal to add 18 to 18. First, we should add ones place. What are the numbers in ones place? 8 and 8. So, keep 8 in your brain and open 8 fingers. 5 from right hand and 3 from your left hand. We should count from 9. Why? Because we have 8 in our brain. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So, 16 have 2 digits, tens and ones places. So, we should write 1 in tens place and 6 in ones place. Then add 1 and 1. We all know that 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So finally, the answer is 36 rupees. Total price is equal to 36 rupees. 60 plus dash is equal to 100. What should we add to 60 to make it equal to 100? This is what we should find. Analyze this. 100 has 10 tens. 60 has 4 tens. How many tens do we need to add 60 to make it equal to 100? 4 tens. So 4 tens are 40. So finally the answer is 40. When we add 40 to 60, it is equal to 100. We can find this by subtracting method also. 100 minus 60. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 6. We can't subtract 6 from 0. So, we can borrow from 100's place. Here, in 100's place, we have 1. 100 means it is equal to 10 tens. So, we should borrow 100 to tens place. When we borrow 100, it will equal to 10 tens. So, we should subtract 6 from 10. What is the answer when we subtract 10 from 6? 4. Finally, the answer is 40. This is the same answer. Move to the next problem. 60 plus dash is equal to 100. That means, what should we add to 40 to make it equal to 100? In the same way, 100 has 10 tens. 40 has 4 tens. How many tens should we add to 40 to make it equal to 100? Calculate orally. Yes, 6 tens. So, we should add 60 to 40 to make it equal to 100. Let's find out by doing subtraction. 100 minus 40. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 4, we can't subtract. So, let's borrow from 100's place. Here, 100's place we have 1. 100 means it is equal to 10 tens. So, when we borrow 1 from hundreds place, there will be 0 and here we have 10 tens. So we should subtract 4 from 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. So the final answer is 60. It is same we have calculated orally. In the same way, move to the next problem. 30 plus dash is equal to 100. This means what should we add 30 to make it equal to 100? Analyze the problem in the same way. 100 have 10 tens. 30 have 3 tens. How many tens do we need to make 30 equal to 100? Calculate orally. Yes, of course, 7 tens. 7 tens are 70. 70 is the answer. Let's check by doing subtraction. 100 minus 30 is equal to 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 3, we can't subtract. So, let's borrow from hundreds place. We have 1 in hundreds place. 100 means 10 tens. So, we should borrow from hundreds place. So, we have 0 and we have 10 tens in tens place. Then, subtract 3 from 10. What is the answer? 7. Finally, the answer is 70. Is it the same with the oral answer? Yes. Let's move to the other problems. We have the question. 10 plus dash is equal to 100. Calculate it orally. 100 is equal to 10 tens. We have only 1 10. How many tens do we need to make 10 equal to 100? Yes, 9 tens. So, 9 tens are 90. Let's check by doing subtraction. 100 minus 10. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 0 minus 1, we can't subtract. So, let's borrow from hundreds place. Here, hundreds place is 1. So, we should borrow 1. Then here 0 hundreds and it comes to tens place. 100 is equal to 10 tens. So, we should subtract 1 from 10. What is the answer when we subtract 1 from 10? 9. So, the final answer is 90. Is it the same or not? Yes, it is same. Our calculation is correct. Move to the next problem. 50 plus dash is equal to 100. 100 means 10 tens. What should we add to 50 to make it equal to 100? 5 has 5 tens. 100 has 10 tens. How many tens do we need? Calculate fastly. Yes, of course, 5 tens. 5 tens are 50. So, the answer is 50. Let's check it by doing subtraction. Subtract 50 from 100. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 5, we can't. So, let's borrow from hundreds place. Here, hundreds place is 1. When we borrow, it becomes 0. When we borrow it to tens place, it becomes equal to 10 tens. When we subtract 5 from 10, the answer is 5. So 50. It is same with the oral calculation. Move to the next problem. 90 plus 0 is equal to 100. That means how much do we need to add 90 to make it equal to 100? In the same way, we can do this. 100 has 10 tens and 90 has 9 tens. How many tens do we need? Only 1 10. 1 tens are 10. Let's check by doing subtraction. 100 minus 90. 0 minus 0? 0. 0 minus 9? We can't. So, let's borrow from 100's place. When we borrow 100 from 100's place, we will, here we have 0 hundreds. Here we have 10 tens. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Is it the same with the oral answer? Yes, of course it's same. Dear children, I think we well understood and I think we all well understood the problems. So, I am going to give you a homework. In the page number 14, we have same problems. These 3 problems you are going to take as homework. Find the answers. What should we write in the given boxes? Share your answers with me from the comment box. How much get back? Suma purchased 1 kg of green chilies and gave 100 rupees note to the shopkeeper. How much amount does she get back? Let's find the solution. Amount paid by them is equal to 100 rupees. Price of 1 kg of green chilies is equal to 20 rupees. We have to subtract 20 from 100. So, final answer is money to be returned by the shopkeeper is equal to 80 rupees. 100 minus 20 is equal to 80 rupees. Let's calculate. 100 minus 20. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 2 is? We can't subtract. So, move to the hundreds place and borrow from hundreds place. What we have in hundreds place? 1. So, here is 100. When we borrow from hundreds place, we have 0 in hundreds place and it becomes 10 tens. Because 100 have 10 tens. So, we should subtract 2 from 10. What is the answer when we subtract 2 from 10? 8. So the final answer is 80. That's all for this class. We will meet in the next class with my new video. If you are watching first time my videos, please subscribe my channel. If you have already subscribed, please tap on the bell icon. Then you will get notifications immediately when I upload a new video. Keep on watching. Thank you. Bye bye. Stay home, stay safe.